First of all, Navy SEALs have way better hair. Way better hair care products. That's known to everybody. But you know, in all seriousness, Navy SEALs are some of the best in the world at coming in on a target and taking that target down. I mean, these guys are fantastic at doing that. Green Berets, we do some of that too, but the real specialty of a Green Beret is to parachute in below the noise, to parachute in below the chaos, and then walk in with like 12 guys, and then connect at exactly the right spot with precisely the right person, slum dweller, village elder, tribal chief, and then we literally get surrounded on purpose. Whereas Navy SEALs come in and hit a target, they're off the target, Green Berets will stay in an area for months, even years at a time. We're like a combination of Jason Bourne, Lawrence of Arabia, and the Verizon guy. We work with indigenous populations from the bottom up to help them stand up against tyranny, against oppression. Everything that we do by, with, and through local populations. We very seldom do it on our own.